In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert hyperlinks in Jira, whether you're managing software projects, coordinating tasks, or just looking to add more context to your work. Adding hyperlinks in Jira is a great way to link out to important resources and keep everything connected. Let's kick things off by accessing Jira. Simply navigate to your Jira dashboard. If you're already on a project page, you're exactly where you need to be. If not, just head to the designated URL or log into your Jira account to get started. Once you're in Jira, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see options for spaces or projects, depending on your Jira configuration. Click on the appropriate one for the task you're working on. This will open up a list of all available spaces or projects that you have access to. Now, within your chosen space or project, it's time to navigate further. Go ahead and click on the specific space or project you're interested in. This will give you access to more detailed options and specific tasks that you can manipulate or add to. With your project open, ensure you're in the board view. Being in this view is crucial as it allows you to select and edit issues or tasks directly. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Find the issue you want to edit and click on it. This will bring up a detailed view of the issue with various options for modifying or adding content to the task. Next, focus on the description section within your issue. Click on Description to begin editing. This is where you'll be adding your hyperlink. In the toolbar, look for the chain link icon, which is commonly used to insert links. Clicking on this icon will bring up a new dialog box where you can enter your hyperlink details. When the dialog box appears, type or paste the URL you want to hyperlink. If you're making use of an internal or external resource, ensure that your link is correct and functional to avoid any broken links. Below the URL field, you'll see an option to enter display text. This step is optional but recommended for clarity. Display text is the clickable text that people will see instead of the full URL. Consider using a brief descriptive phrase for your hyperlink to make it clear where the link will take the viewer. Once you've entered your link and optional display text, simply hit enter. This will embed the hyperlink into your description field, making it clickable and taking users directly to the linked resource. Finally, to save your changes, click on the Save button. This will ensure that all edits, including your new hyperlink, are stored and accessible for anyone reviewing or working on this issue in the future. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted a hyperlink into Jira, streamlining your workflow and making your project documentation even more comprehensive. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial made your work just a little bit easier.